Good morning. It's my pleasure to welcome you back to the University of Washington for the third annual Arctic Encounter Symposium. I'm Professor Craig Allen. I'm the director of the University of Washington Arctic Law and Policy Institute. I'm standing in for our dean, Kelly Testi, who is ill and unable to join us today. We wish her a full and speedy recovery. Thank you all for taking the time out of your busy lives and careers to join us here in Seattle to discuss and debate the most pressing topics impacting the Arctic region today. I know that for many of you, the Arctic Encounter Symposium this year began yesterday with a tour of the the U.S. Coast Guard icebreaker Healy. Polar-class icebreakers are absolutely vital to the nation's access to and understanding of the polar regions. If you doubt that, you can ask the people of Nome how they got their fuel oil in 2002. Healy made history this last summer as the first U.S. surface vessel to voyage to the North Pole unaccompanied. And I would like you to join me in thanking Captain Jason Hamilton and the other officers and the crew of the Healy for being such wonderful hosts yesterday for the tour. The University of Washington School of Law is proud to serve as the official host of the Arctic Encounter Symposium to highlight our common mission, serving the global common good. We believe that we, as stakeholders and leaders in our communities and the world, play an important role in defining and promoting action in the Arctic. This year's theme, Our Best Chance, Acting Right in the Arctic, is a call to action. We believe that in order to best serve this rapidly changing region, we must ensure prosperity and sustainability for generations to come. Last month, the University of Washington School of Law served as the lead sponsor of the first international Arctic Encounter Symposia, the Arctic Encounter Paris, which took place as an unofficial United Nations-approved COP21 side event. This unique opportunity brought the dialogue that this symposia has hosted here at the University of Washington to an international stage and audience. There are 6 individuals today representing the Arctic Encounter Paris team, the French Polar Cluster, the French Military Academy. Let's give them a warm welcome for their incredible efforts at the UN Conference on Climate Change. Thank you. Building upon the momentum of the Paris Symposium, we will continue to fulfill the Arctic Encounter's mission of challenging the status quo through dialogue and debate of what constitutes right action for the Arctic environment and its peoples. I am proud to say that the University of Washington School of Law is actively engaged in these issues through our Washington Journal of Environmental Law and Policy and the first of its kind, the University of Washington Arctic Law and Policy Institute. I speak on behalf of the law school, our dean, our faculty, and our students when I say thank you for being here and thank you for your dedication and passion for the Arctic region. We wish you the best of luck and as you seek to gain new knowledge, debate solutions, and establish valuable human connections and ideas over the course of this weekend. We're going to have a slight program change. We have a distinguished second visitor, and I'm now happy to yield the stage to Senator Lisa Murkowski from the state of Alaska. Senator Murkowski.